Lex, go through the tunnel. Here, go through here. Go into the house. Go to the house. Come on, let's go to the house. Lexi, look at the house. Come on, let's go through here. You go through here? You go first. What you got in here?
Oh, just stuffing.
Is that Furby? Yeah? Did you wake up? Should we go back out? Should we go back out, Lex?
Yeah.
Okay. Go through the tunnel.
Something's in here.
It's fine. Go through the tunnel. Lexi, go through the tunnel. Should we head out? Should we head out?
Yeah.
Okay. Going out. Going out. Is that fun?